Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the electromagnet, a magnet you can switch on and off with a current. By the end of this video you'll know how it works and its main uses. An electromagnet is a magnet made by passing current through a coil of wire, often wrapped around a soft iron core. When the current flows, the coil creates a magnetic field and the iron core greatly amplifies it. When the current stops, the magnetism essentially disappears. 3 things. 1. Make it stronger by more turns of the wire, more current, an iron core, more current per turn. 2. Reverse the current to swap north and south. 3. Used in relays, doorbells, motors, MRI scanners, electric locks, and scrapyard cranes. Common slip. Using steel for the core. Use soft iron. It gains and loses magnetism quickly when the current changes. Steel would stay magnetized even after the current was turned off. Quick example. Wrap a wire around an iron nail and connect to a battery. The nail attracts paper clips. Disconnect the battery, paper clips fall off. The magnetism switches on and off with the current. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.